Today is the 4th of May. We are dealing with this water damage since the 5th of April. Lowe came and brought us this new fridge, which doesn't have an ice maker. So they disconnected the ice maker water line right here, took off the water line and didn't close properly. Then our plumber, who came out on the 5th of April for an unrelated project, he went in the crawl space and he found a water leak. And then we detected this. And he capped this off to stop the leak, which drip out of here, drip for 6 solid months. It's halfway in the kitchen. This is how I'm standing in front of the oven. A regular floor. And we have double plywood here. This is cut off. This is exactly in the middle of the oven. So I'm standing halfway here, and halfway here, higher up here, lower here. And then I go over here to get my spices, and I trip on this corner. Anyway, our fridge has been moved several times, and now it has some dents in it already. Here's the living room. The water came from here all the way 2/3 into the living room. This is how we live. This is what Lowe's cost. And the restoration company came out very fast. 2 very capable, friendly ladies who took out all the damaged stuff. And they put in 12 fans. You can see this in my previous video. We lived with 12 fans here and here and here in the dining room. We have no dining room anymore. Here's my cabinet. Yep, can't use it. So they came in, they brought all the fans. We had to endure this for a whole week. Under the house, 4 fans. And we had 2 dehumidifier in the kitchen and living room, which caused a temperature of 94 degrees. And of course you have to keep the windows closed so everything dries out nicely. I can't really cook. So basically this is what the Lowe's delivery person cost. I reached the end of the rope. I'm over 60. I cannot carry heavy things anymore. I can carry a lot of things, but not 20, 30, 40 pounds boxes. Somebody would come out next Monday just to assess what material we need, like the plywood here. And so I went to Home Depot's website and I looked at a nice floor, and we decided on getting this. And well, the next day it was out of stock, so we couldn't order it. Then we ordered from another company nice flooring, and it's supposed to come tomorrow, but it took a week just to process my order. One thing depends on the other, but we are held off. And I just reached the end of the rope. This is unbelievable.